Hey, and welcome back in class. Today we are going to be making a toothbrush holder. So the very first thing, we are going to get this clay nice and flat. We're going to do this by making sure the clay is about 1/4 of an inch thick, and I'm going to be using these two dowels as my guides. Okay, so let's start. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to smooth all these marks out by using my kidney tool. So let's get it. Now that my clay is nice and smooth, the next step is to create a right angle triangle in order to make our toothbrush holder. So let's get a ruler and cut the shape. Okay, so now that I have created some right angles on my project, one thing you want to remember is that one end has to be longer than the other. So I'm going to make this side 4 inches and I'm going to make this side 2 inches. So now that I have created the shape that I need for my project, the next thing I want to do is apply some texture. So I'm going to get my texture plates and apply some texture to this clay. Once I apply the texture to my project, I'm going to fix these edges so they are nice and straight again. Now that I have my texture on my clay, I'm going to mold it into the shape that I want. Once that I'm satisfied with my shape, I'm going to score and slip and make sure the clay sticks together. Okay, I have this down, put it together the way that I want. Now the next step is to add the base where it's gonna hold everything together. And I'm going to use my needle to trace the shape. And with this, I'm just going to make my score marks. And this is it, guys. Your toothbrush holder is finished. So if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not done it yet, and see you guys next time.